I found my voice, now here I am, seeing it all from where I stand. Stars are guiding me, fire burning beautifully, reaching out now, reaching out. You held my hand and together we roam.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Himanshi. I'm currently preparing for NEET 2027. So today I have a lot to do, yeah. And I don't know this vlog is of 2nd of June or 3rd of June, but that day was quite productive for me. Anyways, here I'm going to complete this chapter of modern physics. Actually, I have already completed doll nature. Now I'm going to complete this chapter atoms. After completing this chapter, I will be doing some questions. And I hope you all are doing well in your life and in your studies too. So I am done with half of the lecture, but still I have to complete half of the lecture. And yeah, जो lecture की duration है वो 2 hours 21 minutes है, and I have studied 1 hour 20 minutes something. So these are my notes. I'm making short notes, not full length type notes. Actually I don't need them. This is the last chapter of human physiology which I am doing right now, and I'm not watching any detailed lectures for biology especially. I'm just revising every chapter from seat ma'am and making short notes. And after completing the lecture, I started doing NCERT reading. Actually, I was revising NCERT and also making short notes. And also I have decided that I will do 100 questions of biology every single day and 30 questions of physics and chem. So it's already 2 p.m. and I have studied only 3 hours 40 minutes. This is so pretty, and yeah, I love watching sunsets. Also, weather is too good these days and काफ़ी सही टेम्परेचर भी रह रहा है. and now it was time to practice some questions. And yes, I'm practicing from Marks app. Like, this app is free. मैंने काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस रॉन्ग कर दिए लाइक स्टार्टिंग में, बट इन द लास्ट सेक्शन वो शायद मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग था।